In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find US bank locations near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to the US Bank Locations page. This is the official search tool that helps you find nearby branches and ATMs based on your location. Using the official site is helpful because the results are usually up to date and can give you more accurate information about what services are available at each location. Once the page loads, you'll see the section designed to help you find a US Bank ATM or branch near you. This is the main area you'll use for your search. Take a moment to look over the page so you can identify the search tools and understand how the results are displayed. You may also notice options on the page that let you make an appointment at a branch. This can be useful if you know you'll need help with something specific, like opening an account or meeting with a banker, and you want to save time by scheduling ahead. There may also be an option to bank online. That's helpful if your goal is to complete a banking task without visiting a location in person. But if you specifically need a branch or ATM, continue with the location search tool. Next, click on the search bar. This is where you'll enter the location you want to search around. The tool is designed to be flexible, so you can use several different types of location information depending on what's most convenient for you. In the search bar, enter your address, city, state, or zip code. Any of these can help the system locate nearby US bank branches and ATMs. If you want the most precise results, using a full address can be especially helpful. If you only need a general list of locations in a wider area, a city, state, or zip code should work fine. After entering your location, click the search button. The website will then process your request and display the locations closest to the area you entered. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a moment. Once the results load, all the nearby branches should appear on the left-hand side of the page. This list typically helps you compare multiple locations at a glance. You can review the nearby options and choose the branch or ATM that best fits your needs. And that's how to find US Bank locations near you using the US Bank website.